یہ جتنے بھی کراؤڈ آ رہے ہیں سارے میچ دیکھنے جا رہے ہیں, سارے برازیل کے سپورٹر ہیں. گراؤنڈ 10 بجے میچ کھیلا جائے گا. اٹھاسی ہزار کی گنجائش ہے. یہ اسٹیڈیم کا باہر سے دلکش نظارہ.
Already.
We're Argentinians.
From
Argentina. Yes.
Okay. How you see this Qatar? How you feel?
Excellent. We love it. We like everything we see so far. Great. Everything. The food, the places, the beaches, everything.
So you are hopeful about Argentina today versus Poland.
Exactly.
So how you hopes about future? What prediction have you?
I don't have a prediction. I never do. I'm just confident about my team.
Okay.
We know we have a good team. We also know Poland is going to be tough because European teams are physical, but we're always confident in Argentina. So we go for it.
So how you expect in the final Argentina? Between Argentina and which team you expect?
We're going step by step, and our next step is Poland. We have to win tonight, and then if we go through, whichever team comes, we're gonna prepare for.
You have no prediction about the final?
I never do, because this is football.
Okay.
And you know what happened in the first game?
Yes.
Nobody, the entire world, didn't expect Arabia to beat Argentina.
How you feel when Saudi Arabia defeat Argentine? How you feel when?
Even though it was sad, because we were expecting a victory, of course.